first weekend of October, and I'm gonna let Mason Zwollen get it started because when you're rocking the 7 strong right there, you gotta head off to school in Oswego. Mason, I want you to have a great birthday. And Olivia Franklin, since you're turning 7 too, you guys are like, you guys are 1 and 1A in my book with those 7 birthdays. And Miss Olivia, she has a very happy birthday. I want everybody in Girard out there at Hatterline. You see Olivia, practice social distancing. Tell Olivia a very, very happy birthday. Landon Omi, he's got a year on him. Landon's turning 8. Look at the medal on that. Good times out at the ballpark, Landon. Make me earn for when the kids have baseball season right there. Landon, 8th birthday in Pittsburgh. And then we got off to the teenagers. Nice, Jaden. Nice. Wait, oh my gosh. Hold on, because my eyesight's bad. Don't turn her picture. Check out the t-shirt. Check it. Check it. OH, Jaden. OH. That is awesome. It's a great catch. It's a sweeter t-shirt. Jaden, let me know who your favorite Ohio State Buckeye basketball player is. Mine's Jimmy Jackson. A happy 14th in Iola. Chris Gent is up there too. Serena Short, she is celebrating her 18th birthday. Serena, I want you to have a marvelous, marvelous birthday weekend. She is in Girard. And also 18, we've got Jackson Dreyer. How about a little Nevada Tiger pride right there? Happy birthday to Jackson in Nevada. Now, you see that wonderful woman just to the right of Jackson? Well, get this, coming up on Monday, that is Jennifer Dreyer, Jackson's mom. Jennifer, I'm so happy that you get to share a birthday weekend there with Jackson, and a very happy birthday. I'm sure you raised a marvelous young man that you're very, very proud of, and I think that's great that you guys get to do that together. Frank Miller, a happy 22nd birthday. Now, Frank is in Fort Scott, and Frank, I want you to know that these birthday wishes come with love from the entire family. Emmalee Mitchell, a happy 28th birthday. Miss Emmalee, she is celebrating in Pittsburgh. And STACY HARE. Now, she's turning 42, and she's in Chanute. She's back in the 4 states. So STACY, a very happy birthday. She was stationed in Hawaii. And STACY, I hope, I'm sure that was beautiful down there, and thank you for all your service and hard work while being stationed down there. But it's great to have you back, and I'm glad you're here to celebrate your birthday. Also in Chanute, coming on, she had a midweek birthday, but we wanted to give her a birthday weekend. That's right. Patti, we're going to make this just a birthday blowout weekend. Patti Schultz turning 67, and a happy birthday. And then Phyllis Costin, she celebrated her 83rd birthday. Miss Phyllis, that's a gorgeous picture right there. I want you to have a great birthday. Miss Costin is in Altamont. Kerry McKinsey, little Columbus Titan pride as Kerry celebrates her birthday. Have a great one, Kerry. And Joyce Jacobs. Joyce is in Pittsburgh. I am sure that there is a background to that picture. I would love to know who turned it in for Joyce because that is hilarious. And I'm gonna guess that perhaps, since these birthday wishes, Joyce, come from your sister Sandra and Kenny, that maybe they had something to do with turning that in. Happy birthday, Joyce. Glennis Jacobs, no, Glennis Wilson, excuse me. Glennis, we're also carrying this one into the weekend because it is a midweek birthday, but we're gonna go ahead and celebrate it all weekend long. Glennis, a very happy birthday. Wait till Sunday at Rain will Pass. It'll be perfect for a ride out in Chanute. On to our anniversaries. Hey, the SODAMANNs. Ryan and Megan. I had a chance to work with Megan for a number of years there and met Ryan as well. And a very happy birthday. Congratulations, Ryan and Megan. 16 years. That's marvelous. They're in Pittsburgh. And Gilbert and Carol Frobish, they're celebrating their 62nd anniversary. That's amazing. Congratulations, Gilbert and Carol, as they celebrate in Joplin. And our own news assistant, one Ian Lee, Occasionally, we actually let him celebrate instead of browbeating him. No, he's a marvelous kid right there. Ian, a very happy birthday to you. Chances are I may run into you over the weekend as well. So I want you to have a marvelous birthday. From all of us here, Ian, thank you for all that you do and a happy birthday. Marilyn Crane and Carla Crane. We got a Crane birthday celebration in Columbus. A very happy birthday to both of you. Nathan Power, celebrating a 63rd birthday. Nathan, happy birthday in Pittsburgh. And Betty Garner, celebrating in Miami. Betty, happy birthday. I'm going to wrap it up with a happy birthday wish to Henry Welch. Now, Henry's turning 78 in Baxter Springs, and this is pretty cool. Henry, I have a quote here that I'm supposed to deliver to you. It simply says, "We love you," from Charlie and Brenda. Happy birthday to Henry. Happy birthday and happy anniversary to all. Whether you're celebrating this October 1st, maybe the 2nd, or maybe we just decided we're going to take a midweek birthday and carry it all the way through the weekend because you deserve it. That's where you can send them into birthdays at KOAMTV.com. You can also go to our website, KOAMNewsNow.com. Now, while you're at KOAMNewsNow.com, that's where you can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club. Go to the website and sign up. Here's the deal. You get special deals from our 4 state businesses. And once again, it's as easy as going to KOAMNewsNow.com. Go to that birthday link. You sign up for the birthday club. I don't know. Marcus, what do you think you can get out of that? I don't know. I might be able to get you one of them Ohio State basketball shirts that Jaden had on. There you go. No, Jaden, if I find one of those, I'll give it to you. I'll give it to you. Either that or I'll keep it for myself. No, I'd give it to you. We'll be back right after this.